photography, and we're thrilled to be back on Kickstarter to present to you your everyday instant inspiration, the Lomo Instant Automat. It's the most advanced automatic instant camera out there. It automatically adjusts shutter speed, aperture, and flash output to every and any lighting situation. It has fast and easy focusing. It's the most compact, minimal size possible, and yet it gives you all the creative freedom you need with an extensive range of features and accessories. Since first diving into the world of instant photography in 2014, our product development team has been working hard to bring you amazing instant creations. The Lomo Instant Automat is the sum of all we've learned. We've created something even bigger, even better. Wait a minute, it's actually much smaller. And the best thing about it? You don't even have to think twice. Because life is about moments. Don't wait for them, chase them. Auto mode on, brain off. Get perfectly exposed images even in low light situations. For each and every frame, foreground and background, dusk till dawn. Shoot crazy light paintings, beautiful night scenes, and so much more with the long exposure mode. Add splashes of colour with the colour gel filters. Create layers and textures with unlimited multiple exposures. And shake up your perspective with the wide angle, fisheye, and close-up lens attachments. In an ever more digital world, nothing beats the rush of holding a snapshot in your hands and watching it develop in seconds like a living, physical memory. Because instant photography doesn't stop at the click of the shutter. The Lomo Instant Automat makes the whole world shareable, lets you live in the moment and embrace the now. Make every moment count. Back us on Kickstarter now to be one of the first to own a Lomo Instant Automat.
It's time to slow down.
My to-do list never seemed to end. With each task I'd complete, 10 magically appeared. Text messages, phone calls, emails, I was just bombarded. And it finally got to a point where I wanted something to remind me to just slow down, to wake up, to actually be present and aware of what I was doing. This is what the thinking egg represents. And I know that there are many people in my shoes wanting to slow down and wanting to rethink how time is spent. With your support, you'll help bring the thinking egg to life. My name's Oscar, and I'm the founder of Origin Design Company. Thanks so much for watching.
Hey Kickstarter, I'm Matt, and I love playing Super Smash Bros. On my Switch with my GameCube controllers. Want to know how I do it? The Ultimate GameCube Adapter.
The Ultimate GameCube Adapter is a GameCube adapter, a stand, and a portable charging station for the Switch.
The Ultimate GameCube Adapter is a must-have for a Smash Bros. Fan. Connect 4 GameCube controllers to the Switch. The input lag is the same as Nintendo's official GameCube adapter, so you won't lose any frames while training on the go. The Ultimate GameCube adapter fully supports Rumble, so you'll get the same feedback you've come to know and love. It has built-in rubber feet to provide the Switch with extra stability, and it has air intake vents on the back so that the Switch doesn't overheat. It can be powered directly by the Switch, so there's no need to go out and purchase a bunch of extra batteries. It also gives you the option to charge your Switch with the official Nintendo Power Adapter while playing. When you're not on the go, you can also hook it up to the Nintendo Switch dock and play on the big screen. What's more, it only uses up one of the dock's precious USB ports, so now you can play 8-player Smash with 8 GameCube controllers and Rumble fully supported. It's great for training on the go, an easy setup for friendlies at tournaments. Maybe you're taking a lunch break at the office, or meeting up with friends just about anywhere. I wanted to find the simplest and most effective way to play Smash on the go, so I put on my engineering hat and got to work. After making some functional prototypes, I sent some over to the Panda Global team, and they wanted to get on board. We've partnered with a Kickstarter recommended manufacturer, and a plan's already been put in place to get started for production. By backing this Kickstarter campaign, you're providing the funding so we can mass produce the Ultimate GameCube adapter and bring it to you. Thank you for your support.
From the team that brought you Rocket Smart and Codrone, Robolink is bringing a new girl into town, and her name is Zumi. We're in a world where the use of artificial intelligence is rapidly growing. AI and autonomous driving is the future, but there are limited resources for learning. That's where Zumi can help. It's the first compact, affordable educational kit focused on self-driving car technology. With Zumi, you'll learn skills in deep learning, machine vision, basic robotics, Python, self-driving car decision and ethics, and routing algorithms. You can train Zumi to learn a new route, and she will get better and better as she learns the route. Yay! And Zumi isn't just for hardcore geeks. Zumi makes learning about AI approachable for everyone. Yay! Zumi is equipped with industry-standard tools, TensorFlow, and OpenCV. These are the same tools used today by self-driving car engineers. And Zumi makes learning all this easy to pick up and go. Sounds pretty cool, right? Well, This is where you come in, Kickstarter supporters. We've sold products to thousands of people in schools around the world. Back this project and help us bring Zumi to more people and students around the world. The team at RoboLink is a group of engineers, teachers, designers, and entrepreneurs. Their goal with Zumi is to make education about AI and self-driving cars accessible and fun. Zumi, your guide to the exciting world of artificial intelligence and self-driving cars.